Bitcoin prices have continued their slip despite hints of recovery on Thursday morning. Bitcoin is currently trading at $60,879, roughly 45.2 lakh rupees, on Indian exchange coin Switch Kuber, while global exchanges like CoinMarketCap value the most popular cryptocurrency at $55,950. Roughly Rs. 41.5 lakh. Talking percentages, the past 24 hours have seen Bitcoin slide 7.55%, dipping well below the $60,000, roughly 44.7 lakh rupees. Mark that it's been hovering around for the past few days. This also marks the cryptocurrency's lowest valuation in over a month, a stark contrast from the $68,990, roughly Rs. 51.18 lakh. All-time high achieved last week. Bitcoin's struggles appear to have percolated to every other crypto asset too, as the global crypto market capitalization saw a 5% dip overall. Ether dropped 6.84% over the past 24 hours to be valued at $4,406, roughly Rs. 3.27 lakh, on CoinSwitch Kuber, while values on global exchanges see an average dip of 5.28% to $4,042, roughly 3 lakh rupees. Gadgets 360's cryptocurrency price tracker shows that the Ethereum-based cryptocurrency has seen a correction of more than 15% since its November 10 all-time high of $4,870, roughly 3.61 lakh rupees. The crypto market witnessed a volatile 24 hours as BTC dropped towards the $57,000, roughly 42.3 lakh rupees. The largest altcoin, Ether, moved closer to the $4,000, roughly Rs. 2.96 lakh, mark. All of the top 30 cryptos, barring the stablecoins, ended in red. With the weekend approaching, the coming 24 hours would likely remain volatile, states Ejal Patel, CEO and co-founder of AI-driven crypto investment platform, Mudrex. The crypto market tracker certainly isn't a pleasant sight today as red dominates the 24-hour change tab. Cardano, Polygon, Ripple, Polkadot, and Tether saw big slips. Meme coins Dogecoin and Shiba Inu did show minor signs of recovery midweek but saw big dips through Thursday. While Doge is currently trading at 23 cents, roughly Rs. 17.80, down by 9.21% in the past 24 hours, Shiba Inu is valued at $0.000042, roughly 0.003149 rupees, down a whopping 11.95%. On Thursday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said all democratic nations must work together to ensure cryptocurrency does not end up in wrong hands, which can spoil our youth, during a keynote address. PM Modi's first public comments on the topic of cryptocurrencies happened after he convened a high-level meeting with market players last week, held to discuss issues related to crypto regulation and to hear concerns over the current state of affairs in the unregulated crypto market in India. The government aims to introduce and pass a cryptocurrency law in the parliamentary session that begins this month. Closer home, the Chinese government isn't letting up any pressure on its internal crackdown on crypto as popular cryptocurrency news outlets now appear to have begun suspending operations. Crypto outlets Chain News and Odaily have both become inaccessible over the past few days, and neither of the outlets have stated a reason. Instead, both outlets have continued their activity on Twitter and Telegram, apps that are banned in China. Bitcoin price barely reacts to Taproot update, Ether's price rally eases up. Bitcoin and Ether aside, the market tracker shows a fair share of reds to begin the week, with Cardano, Tether, and Polkadot seeing minor dips of under 1%. Meanwhile, Litecoin, Ripple, and Tron led the list of gainers. While exchange-traded funds, ETFs, have gained momentum globally and investors turn to cryptocurrencies as an inflation hedge, closer home, Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a meeting on Saturday on the way forward on the issue, with discussions said to be stressing that unregulated markets cannot be allowed to become avenues for money laundering and terror financing. Since the issue cuts across individual countries' borders, it was felt that it will also require global partnerships and collective strategies, the government told press sources after the meeting. In the light of crypto regulation, meanwhile, the Indian government has promised to take progressive and forward-looking steps on the matter. Over a week after Bitcoin reached an all-time high of $67,000, roughly Rs. 50 lakh. The world's most valued cryptocurrency continues to stay above $60,000, roughly 45 lakh rupees. On Tuesday, October 26, Bitcoin opened with a marginal gain of 0.59% and began trading at $64,960, roughly 48.7 lakh rupees. On October 19, the New York Stock Exchange got the first Bitcoin Futures Exchange Traded Fund, ETF, following which Bitcoin prices have been rallying. The cryptocurrency is also being pitched as a modern-day equivalent to gold by several investors. Ether, which is the world's second most valued cryptocurrency, has also been witnessing a subtle but constant rise in terms of value. At the time of writing, Ether was trading at $4,382, roughly Rs. 8,821, as per Gadget's 360's cryptocurrency price tracker. So far, the ongoing week has been good for Ether as it also opened with a gain of 1% on Monday, October 26. Overall, the crypto price tracker chart looks dominated by the green color as a majority of altcoins witnessed growth on Tuesday. Altcoins are crypto coins other than Bitcoin. Cardano, Ripple, Polkadot, Shiba Inu, and Uniswap, among other cryptocurrencies, opened for the day with spikes in their trading values. On the other hand, only a few crypto coins including Tether, Dogecoin, and USD Coin witnessed marginal dips. Meanwhile, several pro-crypto moves have warmed up the climate around these unregulated virtual currencies around the world. For instance, MasterCard expanded its crypto services and partnered digital wallet platform, backed earlier this week. In addition, Nigeria launched e-Naira, the first digital currency in the African continent, starting October 25. Billionaire investor and philanthropist Paul Tudor Jones also recently said that Bitcoin is currently winning the race against gold. The same pro-crypto sentiment was expressed recently by venture capitalist Chamath Palihapitiya, who believes that Bitcoin is a modern-day replacement for gold.